color in the same location doing the same things. So effectively what happens is if you look in the candle before it, you'll see that this 38 stands out there, because you can see that you've now got the diagonal imbalance and you've got the horizontal imbalance as well coming in there, allowing you to look at that and say, well, we've got both of those two conditions in the one location here. And obviously that then led ultimately to, you know, that very, very big sell that came in at that point. And the idea, of course, is then finding, you know, a red and a purple in the same area within a tick of each other. You know, so for example, there's a sell there, and there's a sell there, and they're within a tick of each other. So that's the bid offer spread, still valid. You could probably take a shot at the sell at that stage if that's what you were looking for. So, you know, so Sam's saying that that's visible, of course, on your trading, on your Sierra chart, sorry, by separating out the left-hand side of your column and the right-hand side of your column. All good? Yeah, good work, Sam. Okay, so let's get through today's data. We're obviously running through at the moment, so let's get through today's data. UK unemployment numbers were out this morning. This is where we got the big spike on the numbers for the pound. Claimant count change came in at 8,900, down from the forecast 13,900. So it was relatively positive. Also, disappointingly, I suppose, in some respects, the average earnings actually were still in line at 5.7. They were expecting to see that dropping off a little bit at 5.3. So no luck for anybody that thinks UK interest rates are going to start dropping sometime soon. So if you're sitting on that mortgage, don't be getting too excited after today's data came out. That was a bit of a disappointment, wasn't it? German economic zoo came in a lot better than expected at 47.1, still not in expansion territory, 50 of course for expansion. Eurozone economic zoo followed suit with a 47 print against a 46.1 expected and a 43.9 prior. Moving into the afternoon session, we do have inflation numbers, and they are important numbers coming out at 1:30. Core PPI numbers 0.2, headline coming in at 0.3, expected hotter. And that's obviously something that we will be paying very close attention to as a trader of any of your markets. It's going to be dollar centric, of course, so pay attention if you're trading equities. If you're trading equities, sell side if it goes really hot, buy side if it's cooler. If it's a dollar trade, of course, buy side dollars on a hot number, sell side dollars on a weak number, especially obviously if we get those lightning bolt follow-throughs. So please make sure you pay attention. I will bring across the countdown so that you can watch it from a financial source and see it for yourself as it happens into the numbers themselves. So welcome in, guys. In the meantime, at the moment, I am going to grab some lunch and then we'll get started in the afternoon session one.